video on how you can replant store-bought beets. When purchasing beets, look for the leaves that are nice, firm, and fresh. This will mean the plant was just recently picked. The next is cutting the top portion, and we want to cut about 2 inches into the meaty part. This way we will preserve some of the fruit or plant for the future plant. There is some nourishment there from which the plant can restart the roots and feed the leaves temporarily until the new leaves can sprout. When cutting the leaves off, I would say go about 5 to 6 inches up so that you can preserve these new growth, these new leaves and new growth. This way the plant will have ability to start regrowing. These leaves are great for juicing or make a salad if you slice them very thinly like a coleslaw, or you can use them in soups. In the past, my grandmother would boil beets first, and then she would slice them, and she would add some garlic and vinegar and olive oil, and she would make a salad that way and store it in the jars, which could stay stored like that for a number of weeks. Now, I just want to point out that when you cut off the tops, you want to put them on a plate with some water just to make sure the plant stays fresh while you continue to work on your salad. Cooked beet salad, like my grandmother used to make, could be stored in the jars and in the fridge for weeks. This is a fresh beet salad, and this salad is good for about a week if stored in a fridge. This beautiful burgundy color that beets have is very potent. So you do want to use the gloves, otherwise you're going to have red fingers for a while. And since I'm using a wood cutting board, I also put a piece of paper just so that a wood would not absorb some of this color. I'm a firm believer that if we can bring back more simple tasks like homemaking, we all would be better off, and that's for a number of reasons. One would be simply because we would be healthier. We would eat more homemade meals, we would eat healthier, and in doing so, we would also create an environment at home where we can reconnect with our loved ones. So for many decades, homemaking was not a popular thing. But I think the wellness of an entire family depends on a person who runs the home and the kitchen in particular. So I'm doing this because it's good for me. I just like making these little things. It's also healthy to have this salad on hand, because when we are in a rush, this salad can be in the fridge for 4 to 5 days, and it's a great and healthy side dish. And in the process of fussing with all of this, I get something out of it too, because I love doing it. It keeps me occupied, keeps me happy, and not just making the salad, but especially when it comes time to grow this plant. I get a lot of happiness from seeing this plant come alive again and give us the new leaves and such. So what I'm trying to say is get involved with things in your home, with your family, with your community, because this is just one way that we all can live happier and healthier. Okay, let's get these off, and then I'm going to show you how to season the salad. Oops, we had a leak. The rest is very simple. So we're going to add some salt per taste. I would suggest a little extra, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of honey, and some apple cider vinegar. Make sure salt is dissolved and well mixed in along with the honey and vinegar so that every part of the beets gets some of that seasoning, and then finish it off with oil. Once done, store it in a glass container, because we have some vinegar in here, so I would suggest you store it in a glass container. Plastic is okay too, and cover it and just leave it in a fridge until you're ready to use it. I'm gonna let this baby chill for a while right next to our homemade cheese. I recently started making homemade kombucha, so if you guys are interested, I will soon be doing a video on how to do this at home. These are the beets tops that I planted about 10 days ago, and you can notice that they are already growing fresh leaves. I'm going to do the same thing with ones we cut today, and I'm planting them around my cherry tree because my tree gets watered on regular basis because it's connected to the irrigation. Since plant does not have its roots yet, it's very important that soil remains moist, otherwise the plant will die. That's all for today. So if you like this video, subscribe because I have many more recipes like this one on the way. So until the next time and the next video, I gotta go and change the water on these beautiful babies. Look at these flowers. Aren't they amazing? Yeah, maybe I can show you in the next video how to keep a bouquet of flowers you receive alive longer. So yeah, I'm just gonna go trim them a little bit and give them some fresh water. Thanks again for watching, guys, and next time you buy beets, don't throw away the leaves and don't throw away the top part because you can start growing your own. My name is Vlada Vladik, and I'm a founder of a charitable organization whose mission is reconnecting families and communities in America. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and until the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.